How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Saturday wherever you are around the world. You guys are reading the title. We're going to be talking about everything Onyxcoin, understanding what's happening with Onyxcoin, and of course, what we could be expecting. So you're going to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you're looking at the overall market over the last 24 hours, we are seeing a 50-50, some coins up, some coins down, especially over the last 1 hour, you are starting to see, the overall market kind of bouncing. But yeah, obviously it's the weekend. On the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation than usual. But coming out of a major bloodbath for the crypto markets, you are seeing a little bit of a bounce for the markets, which I'm sure no one's really complaining about. But let's really take a look at what's happening with Onyxcoin right now, because that's what you guys are interested in. So the price is currently sitting at 1.62 cents, up 13% in USD comparative, up 9% in Ethereum, and about 8% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap making its way back above $500 million, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $80 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we're going to start off by taking a look at what's really happening with the Bitcoin Dominance Index here, guys. If you're looking at the Bitcoin Dominance Index, of course, it has gone up quite a bit over the last, I would say 24 to 48 hours. We actually went up to the 61.4%. So, dominance is gaining a lot of strength. If you're an altcoin holder, when times are, not the best, especially, for the broader market, Bitcoin dominance sitting as high as possible is not a good sign, because this will have an impact on altcoins. But over the last few hours, we have seen a little bit of a retrace for, the dominance, which of course has, caused the altcoin market to go up. And remember, we're in a weekend, so, that's something that I don't want you guys to be forgetting. So, Bitcoin right now is making its way up to $86,000. We actually did get to $86,000 last night, which was a clear rejection. But as I've stated to you guys before, if you watch my HBAR update that went live before this one, I'm still not buying this move unless, of course, we get back into 23.6 and start retesting 100K. That could be a complete different, picture. But as of now, I still do believe that, this is a little bit of a dead cat bounce, that is to be expected. But we'll see, of course, I'd love to be wrong. But as of now, as far as Bitcoin price is concerned, we've been, absolutely perfect, like nail perfect on the price action for Bitcoin. But with that said, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with XCN, because it's finally making some sort of move. So XCN made its way down to 1.35 cents. And when I talked about this 1.35 cents potential, people were like, you're just overly bearish for no reason. Absolutely not. Why would I be overly bearish? I just really want to have this conversation with you guys for a second. And I know most of you guys support and you guys show so much love, and I cannot thank you guys enough. But there's some trolls that, just make it make no sense. Like, oh, why are you talking negative about a project? Do you think I get paid by these projects? I own absolutely zero XCN. I bring out unbiased updates. When the price of any project is looking bearish, I'm going to come out and say that. And I'm sure a lot of people that follow my channel have, seen that. Right now, we're still seeing something very similar. We've seen this wick, multiple wicks. I'd love to be wrong. Of course, if we're able to make it back above the 2 cents price point, that would be amazing, especially making its way, up to this key resistance around the, almost 2 cents price point. If it's able to get there, one step at a time, because it's not going to just happen overnight. Obviously, unless, of course, we do see like a bunch of market makers coming in, big announcement just comes out from XCN. Maybe that could trigger it, because, the good thing from that case is that the valuation is still quite low. So it wouldn't take too much of a buying pressure to get Onyxcoin back rolling. So that is something I want you guys to keep in mind right now. Of course, a nice bounce from the last 24 hours. If you picked it up, you are up about like 24%, but it still has long ways to go. Obviously, we need to look for the confirmations around that 1.9 cents specifically. Around 1.9 to 2 cents is the level that you really want to be looking out for. If it's able to get back above that range, I do believe that we could be looking at it from a different standpoint right then. But as of now, obviously, one factor we need to consider is what Bitcoin does, what the dominance does, because dominance is still quite high. But I'll keep you guys covered. Let me know down below what you guys think right now about XCN and what excites you the most. I always ask, the viewers to let me know in the comments what excites you the most about XCN. So let me know that in the comments. What is the amazing thing for you when it comes to XCN? We'd love to know your thoughts in the comments. Love you all. See you later. We're in Crypto ZX, and peace out.